Experiencing issues with Verizon Travel Pass? Travel Pass is designed to activate automatically when you use data, make calls, or send texts while abroad. However, sometimes activation doesn't work as expected. First, ensure international services are enabled on your Verizon account. This is a prerequisite for Travel Pass to function. If activation seems delayed, this is normal and can take 15 to 30 minutes. If Travel Pass still isn't working, try these troubleshooting steps. First, toggle airplane mode for 30 seconds. This forces your device to reconnect to the network and can resolve connectivity issues. If airplane mode doesn't help, try resetting your network settings. Go to Settings, then General, then Reset, and select Reset Network Settings. This clears saved Wi-Fi passwords and cellular settings, forcing a fresh connection. For newer devices with eSIM technology, Travel Pass integration is improved, but iOS 17 and later may have compatibility issues with automatic activation. You may need to manually select a Verizon partner network. To manually select a Verizon partner network, go to your device's cellular settings and choose Network Selection. Look for networks that include Verizon or show as partner networks in your destination country. As an alternative activation method, you can send a text message. Simply text the word TRAVEL to 4004. This manually triggers Travel Pass activation on your account. Remember this important detail. The 24-hour Travel Pass period starts from your first usage abroad, not when you arrive at your destination. Plan your usage accordingly to maximize the value of each daily pass. When basic troubleshooting steps don't resolve your Travel Pass issues, it's time to dive into advanced fixes and implement best practices for a smoother international experience. First, let's examine advanced troubleshooting techniques. If your Travel Pass still won't activate, you need to verify your APN settings and confirm that data roaming is properly enabled on your device. APN stands for Access Point Name, and it tells your device how to connect to Verizon's network when roaming. Here's what the APN settings look like on Android devices. On iPhone devices, you can access APN settings through the Cellular Data Network menu. The correct APN settings are usually configured automatically, but sometimes manual verification is needed. Equally important is ensuring data roaming is enabled. This setting allows your device to connect to international networks. Without it enabled, Travel Pass cannot function. For travelers crossing multiple countries, especially in regions like Europe where you might cross several borders in a single day, Travel Pass can face unique challenges with rapid network switching. Proper preparation before you travel can prevent most Travel Pass issues. Start by installing the latest operating system and carrier updates on your device, and consider manually activating Travel Pass 24 to 48 hours before departure. While traveling, the My Verizon app becomes your best friend for monitoring data usage and managing your Travel Pass. Use it to track your daily usage and avoid unexpected overage charges. Additionally, prioritize connecting to secure Wi-Fi networks whenever possible. This reduces your cellular data usage and helps you stay within your plan limits while abroad. After returning from your trip, don't forget the important post-travel steps. Manually disable Travel Pass to prevent accidental charges, and review your bill within 30 days to catch any discrepancies early. By following these advanced troubleshooting techniques and best practices, you can significantly increase your chances of a smooth international connectivity experience with Verizon Travel Pass. Remember, preparation is key to avoiding most common issues.